As an e-commerce entrepreneur and small business owner, there were times that we thought that if we just build a website, put our products, and work harder, customer will eventually come. Pero that hasn't been the case, has it? You've invested in this amazing business, spent thousands of pesos on Facebook ads, did everything the YouTube experts told you, pero here you are still stuck. Barely getting by, still wondering how you can take your business from crickets to 6 to 7 figure months. If you're watching this video, there's a high chance na you've tried Facebook ads. Pero, either you're disappointed kasi palaging nadi-disable yung account mo, or you're losing money for months because you're barely getting any results or conversions. But, that's not exactly the problem. It gets worse. You know why? Kasi, kadalasan sa mga negosyante, walang ibang nakikitang solusyon kundi ang mag-invest palalo sa Facebook ads. A lot of them end up spending more, thinking na if they just get more exposure, sales will magically appear overnight. Ilang beses ko nang narinig ang kwento na to. That's why 92% of e-commerce businesses don't usually last in their first year of operations. At dahil sa patuloy na tumataas na competition sa Facebook, mas lalong lalala ang mga problem. CPC and CPM rates continue to go up. And the need to create more attractive ad creatives becomes more competitive. Hey, I'm Kirk. For years, I've been helping struggling e-commerce entrepreneurs, freelancers, and e-commerce specialists triple their website traffic, increase conversions, and earn consistent 6 to 7 figure months in their sleep without relying on Facebook ads alone. Isa sa palagi kong naririnig from my student is kung paano sila nahihirapan makakuha ng results sa Facebook ads lately, considering its changing algorithm, strict rules, and unreliable support. A lot of them are wondering whether there's a better alternative. That's when I introduced to them the power of Google Ads. Using my proven system and processes, I was able to turn businesses around, and I've used these same exact techniques for years. I have studied, applied, and implemented these strategies sa sarili kong shops, pati na rin sa mga shops ng clients ko and my students. And the results are freaking amazing. I tested it in different niches and have continued to tweak it until I finally found the perfect system that I guarantee would work 100%. This is the same system I've been teaching my students in this course that help them to get the same results. I spent years, 10 to be exact, mastering these techniques. I built my reputation in the Philippines e-commerce community by producing results, not just theories and concepts. At hindi siya naging madali. I had to navigate through a lot of guesswork, went through a lot of trials and errors, and incurred some losses, like big losses, along the way. But I stuck with it. I didn't give up, and after years of hard work, study, and practice, nakagawa rin ako ng framework on how I built and scaled my e-commerce business to a 7-figure cash generating machine using Google Ads. This is the exact framework that I use to transform my life and the lives of my students. The framework is so simple and so detailed that it leaves almost little to no room for any guesswork. So, whether you're an absolute beginner or an advanced ads specialist, pwede sa'yo ang course na to. The course comes in 3 phases. Sa unang phase, ituturo ko ang basic concepts ng pagpapatakbo ng e-commerce business so that your business is built with the right foundation. This is perfect for beginners who are still planning to start their own e-commerce business. Second, I will be teaching you all the practical steps, tricks, and techniques mula sa pag-set up ng shop mo hanggang sa back-end, including the dropshipping process, and in the space, you'll get the behind-the-scenes look on the operations of an e-commerce shop. Sa third phase naman, you'll learn exactly how you can best leverage the power of Google Ads so you can hit 6-figure months in just 12 months or less. Meaning, hindi mo na kailangan mag-spend ng 10 years para makahit ng 6 figures a month. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-start from scratch to find the right supplier and the right products. Hindi mo na kailangan magsayang ng pera sa pag-experiment sa Google Ads because I'm handling to you my entire system. And best of all, you don't need to spend hundreds and thousands of pesos to get your business up and running because I'll be providing everything you need to set up your own e-commerce store, including a list of 300 plus suppliers, a paid e-commerce team, private support, and a lot more when you sign up, okay? If pagod ka na sa papitiks-pitiks lang na sales at gusto mong maka-experience ng real change sa e-commerce sales figures mo, this is the best time to take action. Just click the link below to sign up for this course now and let's work on getting your first 6-figure sale.